For a while now, I've been looking for a stone-splitting system with the best technological solutions available, while also adapted to my specific needs. Now I found the company that's right for me, MEC. They immediately provided me with innovative and personalized solutions.
Our journey begins with you, by listening to your ideas and your needs. And not only, we even carry out preliminary splitting or cutting tests with your material. Only after having found the optimal solution for you do we design your customized system. What we offer starts from the basic manual machine to the most innovative automatic systems. All MEC machines are compatible with industry version 4.0, connected to your operating system with a PC complete with software that allows you to fully manage the machine output, orders, shifts, and maintenance activities. For your splitting, cutting, and crushing needs, remember that MEC will always be there for you before and after the purchase through a well-set support plan. Based on each specific project, you will receive all the instruction in your language of choice to help prepare yourself for the arrival and installation of the machines, from the transportation to the arrangement of the properly equipped environment where they will operate in. And that's only the beginning. Together with your equipment, you will receive the MEC user e-book, which is much more than a simple instruction manual. It contains all the documents from the exploded views of parts to electrical and hydraulic diagrams, including videos for installation, adjustments, and scheduled maintenance, to make sure your machine is always at its best. But it's thanks to the MEC Smart Glasses that you can stay in constant contact with us remotely by participating in live video calls, in the assessment of the machinery, and in the preliminary splitting or cutting tests. Furthermore, using MEC Smart Assistants will be like having one of our technicians virtually in your place. Thanks to the MEC Smart Glasses, we can guide you step by step if any technical support is required. Otherwise, you can simply choose to book an appointment directly on the Assistance portal on our website www.mecs.it, conveniently getting technical support.
Yes, MEC is undoubtedly the best partner for my work, because MEC is always there for me.